This is one of my Faucaria seedlings. I noticed some webbing down in it the other day, and it had, you know, kind of a close look. Didn't see anything really wrong going on with it. Thought maybe it was just a spider had been hanging out in there and it had moved on. But I had a closer look today, and I wish I had done so sooner, because look what I found. Look at that. Look. No sir, not cool at all. That is a caterpillar, probably a moth, some type of moth, maybe the army worm moth. I've dealt with them before. Not cool, dude. Not cool at all. I'm just gonna take the whole thing out. Oh gosh. Oh, do y'all see that? Man, it's already done enough damage. Well, I'm glad I found it before it got to the other ones. At least I think so. They seem to be okay. And I only see that one caterpillar. Yeah, doesn't look like there's any others. Just the one. You. So what are we going to do with this guy? I don't like squishing bugs. I don't like killing any animals. I guess unless you're a mosquito or mealybug or aphid, you're safe with me. But yeah, what are we going to do with this guy? You know, I think I'm just going to go toss him over into the bamboo far, far away from my house. And if I ever see you again, Buster, you are getting flushed. Oh, lizards, where are you? I know you're in here. I got a treat for you. So really all I can do at this point is try and keep these healthy and from like rotting, and hope that they put out roots. So I'm gonna dip them in some cinnamon powder, which is supposed to help prevent, you know, infections and promote root growth. I'm not sure about that part, but I'm pretty sure it does help with the actual any kind of fungal or bacterial problems. And then I'm probably just going to put them inside somewhere, bright window, but it's cooler inside. And that's because it's still really hot here. And I want these guys to have enough energy to, you know, not be stressed. So hopefully they'll put out some roots if they're going to. And I'll just report back in a couple of weeks and let y'all know what's happening. Yeah, the rest of them look fine. And I just really wish I would have taken a closer look sooner at the one that had that caterpillar in it. I mean, the web should have been a dead giveaway, but I did look really closely. I even used my USB microscope. Didn't see anything down in there. And man, I wish I could have saved more of it. If I had gotten into there sooner, maybe I could have. There's the caterpillar. I threw it over in the bamboo. I heard lizards skittering around over there. Saw a little green anole. And I just waited and watched to see, because I thought he was going to jump down and get it. But before he had a chance to, this little baby brown anole popped up, grabbed it, ran away. And problem solved, at least with that caterpillar. It won't be coming back. My conscience is clear. Lizard had a snack. And I don't have to worry about that little creep coming back and messing with any more of my plants. Thanks, guy.